Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Many of you have been asking me to create this tutorial, so here it is guys. I've finally given in to your requests. I'm going to be showing you in this video how to get free Apex coins. You can get 10,000 coins for free in Apex Legends, and this is working on all platforms guys, so it doesn't matter if you play on PC, Xbox, PlayStation, whatever. You can get Apex coins for free. And this is a simple code that you can redeem either in the EA website or in your platform store. So, for example, the Microsoft store. And yeah, it's going to supply you with 10,000 free Apex coins. And these are pretty expensive, guys. I think 10,000 costs around $80 US. And I'm going to show you how to go ahead and get them for free. So use your mobile phone. And all you're going to want to do, guys, is open up the internet browser and head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So as you can see guys, very important you type it correctly and spell it exactly like this to go to Cold Coupons. And this website is absolutely awesome. I actually discovered them on YouTube. There was a tutorial showing how to get Apex coins and it didn't have many views, so I thought I would recreate the video and show you my subscribers and my viewers how to go ahead and do this themselves. So once you reach this page, just search in the search bar for Apex Legends, and this is the codes page, and let's see what available codes there are. And as you can see, there is a few different ones. So this is the one we're focusing on, but they do also have free packs, so you can receive a random selection of Apex packs for free, and you can unlock all heirlooms and skins in Apex Legends. But this is the code, guys. This is an Apex Legends code to get 10,000 free coins. So click on get code, and you can see guys, this is pretty popular. Like I said, people on YouTube have been using this method and it is pretty highly rated as well, with almost 5,000 ratings, almost 5 stars. So this is going to search for your valid and working Apex code. Now, if this is your first time visiting Cold Coupons, you do need to unlock your code for your free Apex coins. And this basically stops people from stealing the limited amount of codes there. So it basically prevents people from taking all of them. And you can only do this once. So to get your code, you need to click on this button. And you're going to see this screen, and this page basically tells you how to unlock your Apex code. As you can see, it says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code. So on this screen, there is a bunch of free tasks, and these tasks basically sponsor Cold Coupons and allow them to supply such awesome codes to us. And all you need to do is complete 2 of these tasks here. And these are simple things like installing applications and opening them up, or answering questions and surveys. You can even get some that are like free games where you just play them. You just got to make sure you read the description, guys. I'm going to skip through this. I don't want to waste a code. But yeah, do that, guys, and your code here will be revealed and you can redeem it in game. And that is how to get 10,000 free Apex coins in Apex Legends. So really simple. Head on over to Cold Coupons. If you have any questions or need any help, just drop a comment in the comment section below. All I ask in return, guys, is once you get your free Apex coins, drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next tutorial.